What if a few simple products could make walking feel safer, easier, and less exhausting after 60? Most people assume that getting older automatically means moving slower, feeling less stable, and giving up activities they once enjoyed. But that's not always true. Because for many seniors, the biggest challenge isn't age itself, it's mobility. Small aches become bigger problems. A little loss of balance creates fear, and that fear quietly causes people to move less, exercise less, and enjoy life less. The good news? Today's mobility products are smarter, lighter, and more effective than ever before. And some of them can help make everyday movement feel significantly easier, safer, and more comfortable. Let's take a look at some of the most useful Amazon products helping seniors stay active and independent. Walking canes have changed. Many people picture walking canes as heavy, uncomfortable, and old-fashioned. But modern canes are very different. Many now include ergonomic handles, shock absorption, adjustable heights, LED lights, and even foldable designs that fit inside a bag. The right cane doesn't just provide support, it provides confidence. And confidence often encourages people to stay active longer. Because when you trust your balance, you're more likely to keep moving. 2. Rollator walkers create freedom than a cane can provide. Rollator walkers have become incredibly popular. Unlike traditional walkers, many rollators include large wheels, comfortable handbrakes, storage compartments, and built-in seats. That means you can stop and rest whenever needed. Many seniors find themselves walking farther simply because they know they have a seat available whenever they want one. And that small change can make a huge difference in daily activity levels. 3. Compression socks improve comfort. One of the most overlooked mobility products isn't a mobility device at all. It's compression socks. Many older adults experience tired legs, swelling, poor circulation, or discomfort after standing or walking for extended periods. Compression socks may help reduce some of that discomfort and improve overall walking comfort throughout the day. They're inexpensive, easy to use, and often recommended by healthcare professionals for certain circulation-related concerns. 4. Grabber tools reduce risk. Bending repeatedly can become difficult as flexibility decreases, and every unnecessary bend increases the risk of losing balance. That's why long-reach grabber tools have become so popular. They allow users to pick up objects from the floor, reach high shelves, and retrieve dropped items without excessive stretching or bending. Sometimes staying mobile isn't about moving more, it's about moving smarter.
5. Supportive walking shoes matter more than ever. Many mobility problems begin with the feet. Poor footwear can contribute to discomfort, instability, fatigue, and even falls. Modern walking shoes designed for seniors often focus on cushioning, stability, arch support, and slip-resistant soles. The difference between the wrong shoes and the right shoes can sometimes feel like an entirely different walking experience. And because every step starts with your feet, footwear is one of the smartest mobility investments available. 6. Portable folding stools. Long walks often become difficult because people worry about getting tired with nowhere to sit. Portable folding stools solve that problem. Many modern versions are lightweight, compact, and easy to carry. Whether you're attending events, waiting in lines, visiting parks, or traveling, having a place to sit nearby can reduce anxiety and increase confidence. And confidence often leads to more activity.
7. Electric mobility scooters. For some people, walking long distances simply isn't practical anymore. That doesn't mean adventures have to stop. Modern mobility scooters allow many seniors to continue enjoying shopping centers, parks, community events, and travel. Independence is powerful, and mobility scooters can help preserve that independence when walking becomes more challenging. Getting older does not automatically mean giving up freedom. In many cases, the right tools can help people stay active, confident, and independent for years longer than they expected. Because mobility is not just about movement. It's about maintaining the ability to live life on your own terms. And sometimes, the smallest mobility upgrade creates the biggest improvement in daily life. If you enjoy discovering practical Amazon products that help seniors stay active, independent, comfortable, and confident, subscribe to the channel. Every week, we share useful mobility products, safety solutions, comfort upgrades, healthy aging tips, and smart tools designed to make everyday life easier after 60. And if you'd like to see the products featured in today's video, check the first pinned comment below. Some of the links may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Stay active, stay independent, and keep moving forward.